Are you tired of manually handling all your business activities? Then this video is exactly what you need. So hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I am going to demonstrate how you can automate travel quote request for tour operators. And inside this video, we are going to work on 3 simple steps. First, we will create a WhatsApp chatbot inside our Pabbly Chatflow account, and after that, whenever any user will send us any text message, then our WhatsApp chatbot will reply to them automatically on our behalf. So if you are ready to learn how I am going to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, then for that, let us jump right onto my screen. Hi, I am Jay and now we are on my screen. So without any delay, let us focus on this WhatsApp chatbot that I have created to automate travel code request with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And inside my screen, you can see how amazing this WhatsApp chatbot looks. And now, first of all, I will show you a real-time example of how this particular WhatsApp chatbot will work. And for that, we will go to my WhatsApp account. And in here, you can see this is the account of Good Day Travels for which I have created that particular WhatsApp chatbot. And now I will interact with this WhatsApp chatbot as a customer who wants to get travel codes for himself. So first of all, I will send a text message, a keyword to this particular WhatsApp chatbot, travel. And when I will send this, you will see that WhatsApp chatbot has replied me instantly with this welcome message. Hi, welcome to Good Day Travels. We provide instant travel package codes. And it is asking me this question, which destination are you planning for? So as I want to go to this Dubai, so I will select this particular destination, and after that you will see that this chatbot is now asking me for my travel dates. So I will quickly enter my travel dates, and now I will send this travel date, and you can see this WhatsApp chatbot is now asking me that how many travelers do I have, including adults and kids. So as I have 5 travelers, so I will enter this 05 as my number of travelers, and after that you can see this chatbot is asking me to select the package which I am looking for, and it has given me 3 different options: budget, standard or luxury. So as I want this standard package, so I will select this particular package, and after that we will see that this particular WhatsApp chatbot has sent me this message, here is your standard package for Dubai, and it has provided me with all the details about my travel code. And now if I am satisfied with this price range and the inclusion it provides, I will click on this book now, and if I am not satisfied, then I can go back on this type of package here, and then from here I can select this budget option, and after that you will see that this particular WhatsApp chatbot will send me the budget package for Dubai. And if I am satisfied with this particular package, then I will click on this book now button here to book this package for myself. So you just saw how easily I could interact with this particular WhatsApp chatbot, and I could get this travel code for myself with the help of this particular WhatsApp chatbot. And now I will show you how you can also create such an amazing WhatsApp chatbot, but for that you just have to stay with me for the next 15 minutes. And to start creating a WhatsApp chatbot, we will go on a new tab and enter pabbly.com/chatflow, and after that when I will click on this enter button, I will land on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and inside here you can see on the top right corner we get 2 different options: sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user to Pabbly Chatflow, then you just have to click on this sign up free button, and from here you can create your free account. And for your information, let me tell you that Pabbly Chatflow gives every new user 100 free credits every month to create such amazing WhatsApp chatbots and AI agents. And if you are an existing user, then you just have to click on this sign in button given right here. But before clicking on this button, I would like to share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. So Pabbly has this amazing Facebook community of more than 20,000 members, wherein individuals share their ideas and ask questions from our experts. And here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video. So you can go and join our community from there. And now as I am an existing user, so I will click on this sign in button given right here. And after that you can see we will land on this all apps page of Pabbly, and in here Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow to create a WhatsApp chatbot for ourselves, that's why I will click on this Access Now button inside this Pabbly Chatflow's box. And after clicking on this Access Now button, I will land on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And you can see when you are inside this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, the first thing that you have to do is you have to add your WhatsApp number inside here. And to add your WhatsApp number, you just have to click on this button, Add WhatsApp Number, and after that you can select either this WhatsApp Connect method or this manual token connect method to connect your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to learn in detail how you can add your WhatsApp number, then for that too I have added a link of the particular video explaining how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. So you can go and check that video in the description box of this video. And on the left side here you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features like dashboard, inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity log, setting, and this get help. So if you also want to learn in detail about any of these features, then you can go and check the description box of this video. I have added link of all of the separate videos explaining each of these features of Pabbly Chatflow. And now, as I have already added my number inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, so to create a WhatsApp chatbot, I will click on this flows given right here. And after clicking on this, I will select these flows from here, and you can see now I am inside this flow builder window, and in here all the WhatsApp chatbots that I have created for myself are visible to you. So you can see this automate travel code request is exactly the WhatsApp chatbot that I have shown you in the beginning of this video, as I am going to create this exact same WhatsApp chatbot for you guys. So first of all, I will just turn off this particular WhatsApp chatbot, and then I will click on this save button. And after clicking on this save button, my WhatsApp chatbot has been turned off successfully. And then I will go back on my flows, and then to start creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, I will click on this add flow button. And after that you will see that I will land on this most important window where I will start creating my WhatsApp chatbot. But before beginning, I would like to give a meaningful name to my WhatsApp chatbot for travel codes. And now, as I have successfully named my WhatsApp chatbot, so I will start creating WhatsApp chatbot. And inside this trigger feature, you can see first we have to select this trigger event, and this trigger event will be the event on which I want my WhatsApp chatbot to get triggered. And when I will click on this drop down, all of these multiple trigger events are now visible to us. So you can select any one of them as per your preference. But today, as I want my WhatsApp chatbot to get triggered on basis of some keywords that I will enter later, that's why I will select this particular keyword or regex match as my trigger event. And now inside this enter keyword box, I will enter some keywords with the help of which I want my WhatsApp chatbot to get triggered. So I will quickly enter my keywords. So you can see I have added these following keywords: travel and codes inside this particular enter keyword box. And now for you to learn how you can add keywords inside this particular box, for that you just have to type down the word which you want to enter as a keyword, and then you just have to tap on this enter button, and after that you can see this new keyword tour has been added successfully. And for this enter regex box, you can see this regex is actually a universal code which stands for regular expression, and we use this regular expression when we want to extract some particular keywords from a paragraph. But as I do not want to use this regex code, so I will skip this for now. And after we have completed the setup of my trigger step, I will start working on my action step. And for the first action step, as I want to send my customer a welcome message, so to frame a welcome message, I will use this text button. And to use this, I will just click on this text plus button, and you can see this text button is now available for me. And now I will enter my welcome message inside this particular message box. So here you can see I have entered this message: hi, welcome to Good Day Travels. We provide instant travel package codes. Which destination are you planning for? And now below this text message, I will add 3 different buttons, and in those 3 different buttons, I will add 3 travel destinations for my customers to select from. So you can see I have entered these 3 travel destinations for my customers to select from. And now I will connect these following 2 circles to make sure that after my customer sends me any of these keywords, he instantly receives this particular welcome message. And now after this step, I want that whenever my user selects any of these following destination, I want to store the selection of my customers, and for that I will take help of this set custom field. So I will again click on this set custom field, and you can see this set custom field is now available for us. And when I will click on this select contact custom field drop down, you can see this destination is the contact custom field that I have created to store the destination selected by my customer. So I will select this destination contact custom field, and after that for this enter value I will just copy the text of this first button and I will paste inside this. So and when I will connect both of these following circles, so with this I have successfully created a contact custom field with the help of which I will store the destination selected by my customer. And just like this I will quickly frame contact custom field for each of my 2 remaining buttons. So here you can see I have added contact custom field for all of my buttons. And now I will show you how you can also create such contact custom fields for yourself. But before leaving this window, I will advise you to make sure to click on this save button to save your workflow, otherwise you will lose your workflow. So I will first click on this save button, and after that I will click on this setting features of Pabbly Chatflow. And in here, when I will click on this contact custom field, and inside this contact custom field you can see these are all the contact custom fields that I have created for myself. And to create a new contact custom field, I will just click on this add more field, and then I will give a name to my contact custom field. And after that, when I will click on this save button, you can see my contact custom field is saved successfully. And then when I'll be on the flows which I am working on, and in here when I will click on this drop down of select custom field, you can see this is the exact same contact custom field that I have created in front of you. So this is how you can create a contact custom field for yourself to store the selections made by your customer. And now after my customer has selected a travel destination for them, I want to ask them some questions. And to frame questions, I will go on this action features, and from here I will click on this ask question button. And here you can see this question button is now available for me. And now inside this enter message box, I will type down my question. So you can see I have typed down my first question: what is your travel date? And inside this select contact custom field drop down, I will select this particular contact custom field date which I have created to store the answer date by my customer. And inside this format, I will select this date as format in which I want my customer to reply me. And inside this number of attempt box, you can see this 1 is added as a number. So as I want to give only 1 attempt to my customer, that's why I have entered 1. And if you want to increase attempts for your customer, then you can increase attempts by typing the number manually inside this particular box. And for this enter validation message, inside this box I can type down the message which I want to send to my customer if they have failed to reply in the format which I have asked them to. And now you can see as I have successfully framed my first question, so I will click on this copy button to frame my second question. And inside this enter message box, I will enter my second question, that how many travelers my customer has. And inside this select contact custom field, I will select this person's contact custom field which I have created to store the number of travelers my customer has. And inside this format, I will select this format as any, because I do not exactly know that in what format my customer will reply to me for this particular question. And after this, I want to ask my customer what type of package are they looking for. And to frame that particular question, I will drag this text button from here and I will drop this text button in here. And inside this enter message box, I will enter my text as this: what type of package are you looking for? And below this message, I will add 3 buttons, and inside those 3 buttons, I will add name of 3 different packages. So here you can see I have typed down the text inside all of my 3 buttons. The first button I have framed as budget, second as standard, and the third as luxury. And now I want that whenever my customer clicks on any of these buttons, they get personalized codes for themselves. So for that, I will frame 3 different text messages for each of these 3 buttons. So I will drag this text button from here like this, and I will drop it here. And after that, I will copy this text plus button twice, because I want to frame 3 different text buttons for each of my buttons. And now inside all of these buttons, I will type down my personalized text message which I want to send whenever the user clicks on any of these buttons. So here I have entered the text inside each of my 3 text plus button, and inside this button you can see I have entered here is your budget package for $destination, and I have used this $sign to map the destination selected by my user. And below this you can see I have added the price range and inclusions provided if my user selects this particular budget package. So now I will connect each of these following messages with their respective buttons. So here I have connected all of these buttons with their respective text message, and now below each of this following message I will add a quick reply button, book now, so that if my customer likes their respective packages, they can directly click on the button below this particular message to book this particular package for themselves. So you can see I have buttons below each of these following packages for my customer. And now I will drag this text button from here and I will drop it in here, as I want to frame a text whenever the user clicks on this book now button. So for that, first I will join each of these following circles with this text plus button, and after that I will write the text inside my button. So you can see I have entered this text, call on this number to continue booking, and I have provided this dummy phone number so that if my customer wants to book this particular package for themselves, they can just simply call me on this number and continue their booking. So with this we have successfully created a WhatsApp chatbot for ourselves. And now I will quickly connect each of these following circles to make sure that these particular boxes follow each other. So here you can see I have connected all of these following circles, and as my workflow is completed now, so I will click on this save button to save my workflow. Otherwise, if I would not click on this save workflow, then my chatbot will not work. And now we will go back on my WhatsApp account, and there we will test if this WhatsApp chatbot is working or not. So you can see this is my WhatsApp account, and in here I will send this particular keyword travel, and you will see that after I will send this keyword to my WhatsApp chatbot will reply me instantly with this: hi, welcome to Good Day Travels. We provide instant travel package codes. Which destination are you planning for? So you just saw how as I entered this keyword, this WhatsApp chatbot has replied me instantly with this welcome message, and also provided me with these following 3 destinations, which if I want to go to, then I can just click on any one of these destinations and I can get code for my destinations easily. So this is how you can also create a WhatsApp chatbot for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and this WhatsApp chatbot will work instantly whenever any customer will send any of these particular keywords as a text message inside your chat. And if you want to clone this particular workflow, then for you I will add a link of this workflow in the description box of this video. So you can clone this particular workflow by checking the description box of this video. And if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel. And if you want to see more of such amazing videos, then please do comment below on which topics you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create various WhatsApp chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit us at this website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.